Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural Disasters on the Event Channel, welcome. A powerful earthquake struck near Marrakesh in Morocco, resulting in a tragic loss of at least 630 lives. The earthquake, with a magnitude of 7, occurred late on Friday, its epicenter situated 75 kilometers west of Marrakesh, which is Morocco's fourth largest city. The tremor inflicted extensive damage, injuring over 320 individuals and causing significant structural harm. Terrified residents fled their homes and sought refuge in the streets. Morocco's state television reported that the death toll had doubled from the previous night, as announced by the Ministry of Interior on Saturday morning. Among the injured, 51 were in critical condition. In Marrakesh, the nearest major city to the epicenter and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reports emerged of buildings collapsing.
Oh putain!
Tremblement de terre à Marrakech. Tout le monde est dehors. Voilà mon immeuble.
Local television broadcasts displayed images of a mosque minaret in ruins with debris strewn over damaged vehicles. The earthquake occurred shortly after 11 p.m. local time on Friday, according to the United States Geological Survey. The USGS pinpointed the epicenter of the earthquake in the Atlas Mountains, approximately 75 kilometers from Marrakesh. Search and rescue teams diligently combed through collapsed structures in search of survivors. Morocco's Interior Ministry stated the Royal Armed Forces, local authorities, security services, and civil protection continue to mobilize and utilize all available resources to intervene, provide essential aid, and assess the extent of the damage.
مثلا السماره تحت من الفوق السماره هذا توجد على هذا الباتيسري هذا راه واحد جوج ضحايا مضروبين واحد مضروب في الراس واحد مضروب في رجليه مهرس هنا قدام.
Nuruddin Bazine, a journalist from Marrakesh, described the situation as a horrific night, recounting the chaos that ensued following the sudden earthquake. She highlighted that the old city of Marrakesh suffered the most damage due to the fragility of its buildings. Seismology professor Eid Al-Tarazzi from Jordan cautioned that there could be hundreds of aftershocks. Local media reported that roads leading to the mountainous region near the epicenter were congested with vehicles and obstructed by fallen rocks, hindering rescue efforts. Abderrahim Ait Daoud, the head of a town in the affected area, revealed that several nearby homes had either partially or completely collapsed. Electricity and road access were disrupted in some areas.
Tremblement de terre.
We're working to clear roads in Al Haus province to facilitate the passage of ambulances and aid to affected populations. Moroccan citizens shared videos depicting buildings reduced to rubble and dust, as well as damage to the iconic red walls surrounding Marrakesh's old city. Tourists and locals captured scenes of people evacuating restaurants amid screams of panic. Brahim Himi, a Marrakesh resident, witnessed ambulances departing from the historic old town and noted damage to building facades during the tremor. While earthquakes in the region are infrequent but not unexpected, an earthquake of this magnitude had not occurred in the immediate area for more than 120 years. The USGS reported, since 1900, there have been no earthquakes of magnitude 6 or larger within 500 kilometers of this earthquake, and only 9 with a magnitude of 5 or larger. Furthermore, most of these previous earthquakes were located farther east. Friday evening's earthquake was relatively shallow, occurring at a depth of 18.5 kilometers. The USGS attributed the cause to oblique reverse faulting in the Atlas Mountains.